Hey all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to welcome you. My name is Eileen. I'm the owner of Veer Up, which is an HR career consulting firm. We specialize in helping anyone who's trying to find a new job or pivot to a new career, or if you need help prepping for that next big interview. We also do life coaching for those that are trying to find their passion. So definitely check out my website. I put the link in the description box below. But today I want to talk about AI. AI is everywhere. And so I want to know, should you be afraid of AI? Should you embrace it? I'm going to tell you all about what you need to know. But before we get started, I do want to show you a video, the CEO of Fiverr, and he talks about AI. So before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Bye.
As you know, there's lots of talk about artificial intelligence and concerns that it could make many people's jobs obsolete. Well, the CEO of Fiverr, that's a platform that connects freelancers and companies looking to hire them, sent this email to his employees last month. And as you see there, it says in part, concerns that it could make many people's jobs obsolete. Well, the CEO of Fiverr, that's a platform that connects freelancers and companies looking to hire them, sent this email to his employees last month. And as you see there, it says in part, quote, AI is coming for your jobs. Heck, it's coming for my job too. This is a wake-up call. Michal Kaufman is the CEO and joins us now to talk about the future of AI and the workplace. You know, as much traction as this email has received, you've really stirred up the comment section. It's been a popular refrain in the past few years. So give our viewers a bit of a pulse check. How alarmed should people be that AI is already here?
Well, it's absolutely here. And you know, I think the email came at the backdrop of our employees that are wondering if they have a future in their professions. And they weren't really waiting for my email. And if anything, this email was a validation of the things that they feel. And it was all about, talking openly and directly to our team like grown-ups. They're not kids. They don't need to sugarcoat anything. And they really needed the validation that their fears are valid, but also a leadership perspective of what they can do about it.
And let's talk more about that. How can someone who believes their job will be made obsolete by AI, how can they differentiate themselves to make themselves useful, I guess, to be able to work with these AI systems?
Yeah. So look, I think that the way I'm looking at this from an executive standpoint is, I think we were given with superpowers, but this should reflect in how people work. So my expectations are double or triple the output per unit of time, and the same for the quality per unit of delivery. And the reality is that since, what we're seeing with these tools, the reality of businesses and products is that no one has a crystal ball. So if no one has the advantage of knowing where this is going, our main advantage is speed. It's our ability to move faster. So what I told the team is, I want to reduce the cost of error. You know, if something used to take us 3 months to build and then fail, because a lot of the things that we do try end up failing, today we can test things in 3 days. So by reducing the cost of error, we can do much more to find out the things that are working, and the team should support this. And my overarching message was, in an ideal situation, I want everyone to automate 100% of what they're doing. And that might raise the question, will that make them replaceable? And my answer is absolutely not, because it's on the contrary. When you have all of your time free because you're not doing the technical things that you can automate, you free up your time to do things that human beings have special capabilities in, which is like nonlinear thinking, judgment calls, issues that have to do with taste, making decisions, thinking about strategy. And I think that there is one thing that people get wrong about AI, and that is that it doesn't really replace us. It actually forces us to rediscover our humanity, the things that we are special in, the special attributes of every person, their special powers, and automate the things that are just wasting some of our times as, acting as technicians.
Yeah, it's a great point that you make. And I tend to think that because AI will do all the boring stuff, it's even more important for people to bring their experiences, bring their life perspective to their roles in order to demonstrate the difference. Michal Kaufman, really appreciate you joining us today. Thanks for your time.
As the CEO of Fiverr recently said, we shouldn't fear AI. We should fear what happens if we don't embrace it. And he's right. AI isn't just coming, it's here. It's rewriting how we work, communicate, and create. But here's the good news. This isn't a horror story. It's a growth opportunity. I'm here to say that the future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines. The truth is, AI isn't going to take all of our jobs, but, and it's a big but, someone who knows how to use AI just might take yours if you don't evolve. And that's exactly why I made this video, to show you how much power you already have and share 7 simple, high impact ways to stop resisting and start leveraging AI to your advantage. Let's dive in. Let's get one thing straight. AI is a tool. It's fast, it's efficient, and yes, it can do some tasks better than humans. But here's the truth, a tool is only as powerful as the person who wields it. Think about the calculator. Did it make mathematicians irrelevant? No, it freed them to solve bigger problems. The internet didn't destroy libraries, it expanded access to more knowledge. AI is the next tool in that evolution. It can automate repetitive work, but it cannot replace judgment, values, empathy, creativity, or that spark of inspiration that drives innovation. That's where you come in. Let me remind you of something powerful. You're human, and that still counts for a lot. Here's what you bring to the table that AI never will: empathy. AI doesn't know what it's like to be human, you do. Curiosity. AI follows patterns, you break them, you wonder. Judgment. AI makes decisions based on data, you make decisions based on wisdom. Storytelling. AI summarizes, you stir emotion, you create meaning. Your ability to lead teams, build trust, create community, and communicate vision, AI can't imitate that. In fact, in this new era, being more human, more thoughtful, more creative, more connected is your unfair advantage. So now that we know AI is a collaborator, not a threat, let's talk tactics. Here are 7 ways you can start embracing AI and future proofing your skills starting today. Learn the basics. You don't need to become a programmer, but you do need to understand the tools. Play with ChatGPT. Try an AI image generator. Get curious. This is how you stay relevant. Use AI to automate, not replace. Let AI do the busy work, emails, summaries, scheduling. That gives you more time to focus on strategy, vision, and human connection. Get better at prompting. Prompting is the new super skill. The better you communicate with AI, the better the results. Think of it like training an intern. It's all in how you guide it. Build a personal brand. AI can generate content, but only you can build your voice, your point of view, and your reputation. Your unique lens on the world, that's your most valuable asset. Stay human centered. Build empathy, integrity, and storytelling into your brand. People aren't just buying information, They're buying authenticity. AI can't fake that. Collaborate, don't compete. Let AI be your brainstorming buddy, your writing partner, your assistant. Together, you can go further, faster. Keep learning. Change is the only constant. Stay open, stay adaptable. The winners of tomorrow are the learners of today. So, will AI take your job? No. But someone who knows how to use it better just might. The real threat isn't AI, it's staying still. The future belongs to humans who are bold enough to evolve, humble enough to learn, and wise enough to lead with heart. So double down on your human edge. Stay curious. Use the tools. Build something meaningful because AI may be smart, but you have soul, instinct, and purpose. And that is absolutely irreplaceable.
So, I hope you enjoyed my video today. I hope that I was able to bring you some type of value. If you believe that I gave you some value, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.